Buckle up, because here's the shocker. Over 20,000 Ford and Lincoln plug-in hybrids on American roads could still catch fire, even after a previous recall meant to fix that exact problem. And the twist? There's still no permanent solution. That's right, no fix, no timeline, and a lot of worried drivers. Let's break this down. Ford has been drowning in recalls this year, over 100 already, but this one stands out. It affects the Ford Escape PHEV and the Lincoln Corsair PHEV, two popular family crossovers that Americans rely on for daily commuting, school runs, and affordable hybrid driving. Last year, these same models were recalled because their high-voltage batteries could develop internal short circuits, triggering potential fires. Dealers updated the battery energy control module, adding software that should detect cell issues, shut down charging, and warn the driver to pull over. Sounds reassuring, right? However, Ford now admits that the software doesn't catch everything. Furthermore, data from Europe, where the Ford Kuga PHEV uses the same battery design, shows 7 fires even after the recall. That's the clearest sign the issue runs deeper. According to NHTSA documents, 20,558 PHEVs are affected in the US. 4,015 Lincoln Corsairs, built Oct 2019 APAR 2024, 16,543 Ford Escapes, built Joule 2019 APAR 2024. Meanwhile, Ford engineers still haven't pinpointed the root cause. Their best theory? Variability in manufacturing caused damage to the separator layer between the cathode and anode inside the battery cells. And all the problematic cells came from Samsung SDI's plant in Hungary. Moving forward, here's what Ford is telling owners. Use Auto EV mode only. Limit maximum battery charge when using level 1 or level 2 chargers. Wait for further instructions by mail. On the flip side, the steering, braking, and lighting systems remain unaffected. But if the battery shuts down, the car loses propulsion, which creates its own safety risks on highways. Let's talk real-life impact. For the average US driver, this isn't just a recall headline. It's a lifestyle disruption. Charging habits must change. Daily routines must shift. And resale value? That's another headache waiting to happen. What does this mean for your wallet? Potential range limitations, charging anxiety, and long-term repair uncertainty, until Ford delivers a permanent fix. Meanwhile, this situation highlights a broader challenge across the American EV market. The demand for electrified vehicles is skyrocketing, but reliability and battery quality control have to keep pace. Recalls like this slow adoption shake consumer confidence and intensify pressure on automakers. And let's be real, Ford needs a win. Speaking of charging issues, if you haven't seen my recent breakdown on how US charging reliability affects EV ownership, make sure to watch it next. It ties directly into what Ford drivers are dealing with right now. So here's the big question. Would you keep driving a plug-in hybrid that might catch fire and doesn't have a fix just by limiting charge levels? Or would you park it until Ford figures this out? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.